Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna edit this image using the free features in Lightroom mobile. First of all, let's analyze the photo. The photo is bleached a little. Let's correct it. Open the photo in Lightroom. Now go to the light menu, decreasing the exposure value to -30 and contrast to -20. Also highlights -35. Now increase the shadows to +60, decreasing the whites -51 and adding some blacks +32. Now go to color menu, adding some warmth +6 and decreasing the vibrance and adding saturation that makes a dramatic look to the image. Just try it. Now opening the color mix, let's play with color, starting with the red color, decreasing the saturation to -31 and adding luminance +52. Now select the orange color, added a little bit of hue and increasing the saturation to +34, also luminance to +33. In yellow color, decreasing the hue to -13 and adding saturation and luminance. Next color is green. Decrease the hue to -40, that removes the green from the picture. Adding saturation +30, also luminance +27. In aqua color, adding luminance around 48. Now hit done. Now we are back to the color menu. Select the color grading tool and in shadows, dragging the center point towards greenish tone. In mid-tones, adding some yellowish tone. In highlights, adding some orangish tone. And finally, adding some purple tone. Now export the image.